In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable format and marks and how to show or hide remove paragraph symbol and word. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to open up your Word. And now just go ahead, click on File, which is located at the top left. Now just go ahead, access Options, which is located at the bottom left. Just click on it. After you do that, go ahead, click on Display. And then at the right side, you can see under Allow these format and marks. You can click on paragraph marks, enable them or disable them. And you can show or remove paragraph symbols. So this was an easy and quick process video. I hope this video was helpful. You can find the icon here at the top. So as always, thank you for watching.